Meaning of gilet.
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 Gilet. Gilet is a French word that refers to a sleeveless vest or jacket that is commonly worn over a shirt or sweater. The garment is typically made of lightweight materials and may be quilted or padded for warmth. Gilets are popular among outdoor enthusiasts for their practicality in providing an extra layer of insulation without hindering mobility. They can also be fashionable, coming in a variety of colors and styles. Overall, the gilet is a versatile piece of clothing that has gained popularity both for its functionality and style.